Hey y'all, iRickSky here. Welcome back to another AI with iRickSky video. And within this video, I want to talk about how to create a video using AI, how to create a video using artificial intelligence. Now, that may sound far-fetched. One may assume that, oh, if I create a video using artificial intelligence, that it's not going to be convincing. Well, let me snap my fingers here and check this out. This was generated using AI. So how do you create a video using AI? So there's several ways you can do it. This video, and subscribe to my channel, check out my AI with iRickSky video playlist to see a lot more videos, a lot more depth. But at a high level, what I did to create this video is I had a still photo of myself, an actual photo. I was in the backcountry, in the real wilderness, backpacking, had that still photo. So what I did, I took that one still photo of myself, that photo only, no additional photos, and I uploaded that photo into the AI generation tool, and it used that photo to identify the character, which was me. So you can see here, and I'm going to scroll through, you can see the various video clips that I created. They're usually around 5 seconds in duration, that I created using text to video, also referred to as prompts. So it had the still photo of me, and by the way, that still photo of yourself or whatever is optional. You can strictly do text to video, type out what you want to be watching a video clip of, and AI will work its magic. But if you want it more customized, you know, putting you, assuming it's an action clip, putting you in the action, you know, have a good high quality photo of yourself. And that doesn't have to be an expensive camera. You can use a smartphone, capture a photo of yourself, and use that to embed within the AI video creation tool. And it is mind-blowing, as you saw within my video clip, what can be created with one photo and just a few creative sentences, also referred to as prompts or text to video. So AI, I mean, even though it's still in its infancy at the time of filming this, if you falsely assume that AI is not capable in its current state being a newer technology, yes, AI has been out for a while for music, for still image generation, but AI for video is still somewhat fresh. But it's not so fresh that it's not capable, as you witnessed there. And as AI, generative AI for video creation evolves, mark my words, and you watch this video, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, but watch this video in a few years, mark my words, as generative AI for video becomes more and more capable, we're going to see the way that movies are produced completely change. There may not be the need for physical sets. There may not be the need for stuntmen. There may not even be the need for the actors within the film to physically drive to and from a filming location. In the far future, as AI continues to evolve, AI could be a situation where AI is so good that all that the actor or actors have to do is send in a high quality photo to the director and collect a paycheck, because the entire movie, the entire film is created using AI, and that one or maybe a few photos of the actor or actors were sent to the director. So that's far future, but it's not too far off, because you just saw what I created. I'm an amateur with generative AI for video, and I created that. I don't have a background in Hollywood movie production or anything like that, but I created that within a matter of hours. So yes, that is how you can create a video using artificial intelligence. Play with it. Don't beat yourself up and think everything's going to be perfect. Allow yourself to pivot as things are generated. Some of the clips that are generated for your use case may be completely unusable. If they are, don't get mad. Just think of another way to phrase it, or maybe alternative subject matter instead of that 5-second or so clip. Maybe you want to replace it. Because what I really wanted within that video that I showed a few moments ago within this video, I wanted to have a thing where I was hanging from a rope ladder that was covered in ice below a helicopter going through a blizzard. I really wanted to capture that, and maybe I could have. Maybe my text to video verbiage was not optimal. Maybe there's a different way I could have phrased it, and it would have created exactly what I wanted. That's a small gripe. I was extremely satisfied with the video that I created using generative AI. I mean, it's like, whoa. I mean, that's some pretty cool stuff. But comment down below, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, stay tuned, check out my AI for Iris Guy video playlist, and you'll see a ton of AI for Iris Guy videos now, and thousands more coming soon. Questions and comments, comment down below, and I'll try to respond within the format of upcoming videos here on youtube.com/IrixGuy. And if you've got an AI, generative AI for video tool, and you would like to see me review it, comment down below. Even better, if you're the developer of one of those tools, comment down below or reach out to me directly, facebook.com/IrixGuy, because I would love to get into a free sandbox and dive in and experiment with your tool or tools and see what types of video content I can create. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.